Good afternoon, everyone. So we're going to differentiate this function y with the sine square of cos of 3x squared plus 1, and we're going to find an expression for its derivative y prime. So, first things first, let's acknowledge that we're going to have to use the chain rule here, obviously. So we have sine squared of whatever. So let's start off by using the power rule on sine. We'll have 2 sine of still everything inside the bracket, cos of 3x squared plus 1. Now we have to use the chain rule and apply that to the sine. So the derivative of sine is cos. So now we have to multiply this by the cos of everything inside these brackets. So times cos of, I know this is a little odd, but cos of 3x squared plus 1. So cos of 3x squared plus 1, right? Whenever we use the chain rule, we're always working outside in towards the center of our function, right? So now we're going to multiply all of this by the derivative of what's inside these brackets. So the derivative of cos of something is the negative sign of that function. So we have negative sine of 3x squared plus 1, and again, applying the chain rule until we get down to the very center of our function times the derivative of what's inside of these smallest brackets. The derivative of 3x squared plus 1 is easy enough, just 6x, and we're done. So now we're going to simplify that a little bit. Now, to make things as simple as we can, I'm going to remind you of a double angle identity that you may or may not still have in your memory. Sine of 2 times something is equal to 2 times the sine of that something times the cos of that something, and here we have it kind of staring at us in terms of 2 times the sine of blank times the cos of blank. So we can write this in a more simple manner as the sine of 2 times that stuff, right? So the sine of 2 times what's inside the brackets, right? 2 times what's inside of the brackets. So that'll be sine of 2 cos of 3x squared plus 1, like so, okay? And we still have the rest that is trailing behind, so I'll write that a bit simpler as minus 6x, or rather negative 6x, sine of 3x squared plus 1. And to make things as simple as possible, I'll move that negative 6x out front, and I'll write y prime in its simplest form as negative 6x sine of 2 cos of 3x squared plus 1 times the sine, again, of 3x squared plus 1. And there we have it, okay? So again, this gives us the slope of the tangent line to the curve at any point on the curve, okay? Hope this helps. Thank you for watching.